Today, we focus on the powerful truth that you are worthy. You are worthy of love, respect, success, and everything that brings you joy. There is no need to prove your worth to anyone, not even yourself. You are inherently valuable, just as you are. Let's begin by repeating this life-changing affirmation together, letting it sink deeply into your being. I am worthy. Pause for a moment. Feel the power in these words. Let them settle deep within you. You are worthy. I am worthy of love, respect, and kindness. I deserve to be treated with care and compassion, and I choose to surround myself with people who value and appreciate me for who I truly am. I am worthy of happiness and joy. I embrace the happiness that life offers me, knowing that I am deserving of all the good things that come my way. I deserve to feel joy, peace, and fulfillment every single day. Picture yourself smiling and feeling joy radiate from within. See yourself engaging in activities that bring you happiness and fulfillment. You are worthy of all the happiness the world has to offer. I am worthy of success and achievement. I trust in my abilities, and I know that I am capable of accomplishing great things. I deserve to achieve my goals, and I am worthy of the rewards that come with my hard work and dedication. Visualize yourself achieving your goals, feeling proud of your accomplishments. You have earned success, and you are worthy of all the abundance and recognition that comes with it. I am worthy of taking care of myself. I honor my needs and prioritize my well-being. I understand that self-care is not selfish, but a necessary act of love for myself. I deserve to nurture my body, mind, and spirit. I am worthy of my dreams. My dreams and desires are valid, and I deserve to pursue them with courage and determination. I am worthy of the life I envision for myself, and I take inspired action to make my dreams a reality. I am worthy of peace and inner calm. I deserve a life filled with tranquility, balance, and harmony. I trust that I can create a peaceful environment for myself, and I am worthy of living a life that feels aligned with my values. I am worthy of forgiveness and healing. I release all feelings of guilt or shame, knowing that I am worthy of love and compassion, both from others and from myself. I forgive myself for any past mistakes and allow myself to heal. I am worthy of abundance. I deserve to receive everything I need and more. Abundance flows easily to me because I am open to receiving all the good things life has to offer. I am worthy of financial, emotional, and spiritual prosperity. I am worthy of being my true self. I embrace all parts of who I am, knowing that I am perfect in my imperfection. I no longer hide who I am or try to fit into someone else's expectations. I honor my authentic self. Take a deep breath in and feel the truth of these words deep within you. I am worthy. Feel the power of this affirmation settling in your heart and soul. You are worthy of everything you desire: love, happiness, success, peace, and abundance. You are worthy of your dreams and all the beautiful things life has to offer. As you move through your day, remember, you are worthy. You deserve the best. You deserve love. You deserve joy. You deserve all the greatness that comes your way. You are worthy, and nothing can ever take that away.